Alright you guys, so before getting into this video, I wanted to show you some before shots of how not so clean our bathroom is. I deep clean like this once a month. I try my best to keep up with it though during the week, since the water, our tap water, is very hot. It's hot water. If you don't know what hot water is, just Google it. I don't want to go into detail. It's just, for us, it creates pink stains on the tub, as you can see, along with the shower curtain and the sink. So a lot of staining, and that's not because we're dirty, it's because of the water is extremely hot here, and it is what it is. This is how it was at my first apartment too. I guess it's just a Massachusetts thing. So I wanted to show these before shots because I don't want to hear anybody in the comments complaining that my bathroom doesn't get dirty. This is not considered dirty. This is considered dirty to me. Please keep in mind, it's just me and my boyfriend here. We don't have kids. We don't have family members sleeping over like that. So this is how dirty it normally gets. So the first thing I do is I take down my reusable shower curtain because it is going to go into the wash along with the towels, the rugs. I try to do everything in one load because I don't want to spend any more money. If you guys do not know and you're new here, we have a washer and dryer in this apartment building, not in our units. So the washer and dryer is out in the hallway where everybody in this building shares. So it does cost money. It costs us $2.25 to pay for a load of laundry. So I try to do everything in one load. Also, that's my little helper. Well, not really a little helper. He's more of a little destroyer. He loves piles of laundry everywhere. So I have to shoosh him out sometimes so he doesn't get himself dirty because all of the stuff is dirty. So anyways, I'm going to throw this into the wash and get back to cleaning. While everything is washing, I'm going to take every little product off of our shower caddy, and I'm going to clean all of the soap scum or the residue from our products. Now, since I am a minimalist, and my boyfriend's not much of a minimalist, but he doesn't use many products either, it's fairly easy to clean the soap scum off of this caddy, so I don't take it down. All I do is spray it with some water and vinegar mixture, get a nice clean rag, and then I just start scrubbing it with the rag. It's super simple. Again, it's just soap scum. It's nothing like nasty or anything like that. It's just when our products leak, or when you have like soap in your hands and you put your shampoo bottle back, and soap falls. It's just built up soap at the end of the day. So I'm just going to wipe it down and then wash it off. So here you can see the before, and then this is the after. Super easy to clean, like I said. Vinegar and water goes a long way in the shower, especially when you're using hot water. If you just rinse things off with hot water, let it soak for a couple minutes, and then go in and scrub. Super easy. You don't even have to use that much elbow grease, to be honest. So now I'm going to work on the other side, and then I am going to spray down the caddy and then move on to the next cleaning step. Like I said before, I do have the hot water on right now, and I'm just going around the entire tub, and this what makes things easier. This soap scum, this hot water buildup, so I'm just going around softening everything up so it's less scrubbing that I have to do later on. The only thing I use to clean this tub and the walls is a magic eraser. It works really well with hot water stains. I don't use anything else but that, and it takes everything off, which you guys will see in a bit. While we wait for the hot water to loosen up the soap scum in the tub, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to clean plastic brushes. Now, this is my boyfriend's brush, so I decided to clean this for him. We keep this brush in the bathroom, that's why it was kind of on my mind since I am cleaning the bathroom. All you're going to need is some water. You're gonna boil it as hot as you can get it, and then you're gonna add in a couple drops of any kind of soap. I'm using regular hand soap. You can add in shampoo, conditioner, whatever you prefer. And then you're also gonna need an old toothbrush to scrub it out. But before you scrub the brush, you're going to wait 15 to 20 minutes with that brush soaking in the hot water so it can loosen up all the built up products, dandruff, all of that stuff. You guys will be amazed on the aftermath of how this looks. Like I said before, the only thing I use to clean the tub is a magic eraser, the bathroom ones. They work so well. They take out all the soap scum, they take out all of the hard water stains. It works so well, and it only takes me a good 10 minutes to take all of this gunk off, and I'm not even adding any elbow grease because I did the hot water method to soak everything first. If you don't soak everything with hot water, it's gonna take you a lot longer. So as you guys can see, the before and after, I know it's kind of hard to see because it is a pink tub at the end of the day, but you can definitely see some of the soap scum on the sides, dead skin. You can also see the little dirt rings in the center. So I didn't film me cleaning the whole entire tub and the walls because this bathroom is so small and it was so hard for me to clean with the tripod in my way. So most of you guys already know what I do. You can see the camera fogging up right now because I am using hot water to rinse everything down. I will show you guys how everything looks in detail at the end of the video, so stay tuned. But altogether, the tub and the walls, that took me around, I want to say like 19 minutes to clean. It was super easy with that magic eraser and with the help of some hot water. I highly suggest you guys create a music playlist for cleaning or just play your favorite song, even if it's on repeat. It will make the time go a lot faster, and it will also motivate you more to keep cleaning. Now that 20 minutes have passed, our water is now cold and our brush is ready to be scrubbed. So let me know down below if this method works for you guys. This works every time for me, and my boyfriend even noticed a difference the other day with brushing his hair. He feels like it brushes hair a lot better. I don't know if that's true. Maybe it is, but I mean, I do feel when you wash your car, I feel like it runs better. Again, that could just be in my head. I mean, it probably is, but it's still satisfying to do this, and it's also very necessary to clean your brushes because you do not want built up product on your scalp. That is the worst thing to do for your hair, especially if you are trying to grow your hair. Always clean your brushes, even your makeup brushes. As you guys can see right here, the left is the before and the right is after. It literally looks like a brand new brush. One thing I tend to forget to clean always is my toothbrush holder. Please don't make me feel alone. Do you guys forget to clean yours? I am not perfect. Even though I love to clean and I consider myself a neat freak, there's some things that I forget, and when I get to them, I'm like, oh crap, how did I go this long without cleaning this item? And that's how I felt when I seen that toothbrush holder. So with this cabinet, it is a little hard to clean because it is rusted. So I try my best to go slow because if I go fast, I'm going to cut myself or rip my rag, which I'll cry because I've had this rag for so long. So as you guys can see, it is pretty rusted down below, and it's as clean as I can get this little cabinet. I do put a little cover on the bottom so no one gets cut when they're grabbing things. So once when I was done rinsing the little glass trays that go in the cabinet, I decided to soak this toothbrush holder for a while so all that gunk comes up from the surface, because these things are really hard to clean. There's no way I could fit my hand inside here. So I was trying my best to use just hot water to take everything out, do it the more natural way. I also try my best not to use a ton of chemicals, as you guys can see. And chemicals, I mean in like bleach and all of those things. I know when I say chemicals, people get mad, but I'm talking about the bad chemicals, obviously. And it was also time for me to swap out our old toothbrushes for new ones, so I always keep extra on deck. And I love these toothbrushes so much because they have the little color on the bottom, so you kind of tell which one belongs to who. And also they're bamboo, they're better for the environment, and they're cheap. So I will have these linked down below if you're interested. This is not sponsored, I wish. I just wanted to mention a decent bamboo toothbrush that's not gonna cut up your gums. When it comes to cleaning the sink, I do the same exact method as I did with the tub. I'm using a whole new magic eraser for the sink because as bad as the tub was, you can just imagine how that magic eraser looked. There was basically no eraser left. So I'm just scrubbing all of the hot water stains off of the sink. It is hard to see with my camera because it just kept going out of focus here and there. I don't know why. Maybe because it was such a small space. But anyways, when I'm done scrubbing, I will go in with my glass cleaner rag. And a lot of you guys already know that this rag is my ride or die. I've had this since 2015 and it's still with me till this day. I'll have it linked down below. Again, not sponsored, but I truly wish, because this glass cleaner rug is amazing. It keeps everything nice and shiny, especially if you have like a silver sink. It'll make everything look brand new. Another thing that I do constantly at the end of each month, even if I'm not deep cleaning, I always refill the soap dispenser. The reason for this is because we wash our hands so much, especially with the virus still. I wash my hands at least 10 times a day. I know, probably a little excessive, but we go through a lot of soap, so I try to refill that as fast as possible. As much as I wish that I could clean the entire bathroom without any chemicals, it's not ideal. So of course I do need a decent toilet bowl cleaner. This is the one I use. It's from 7th generation. I know it's not the best brand, but it does the job. It takes out the hot water stains, and I let it soak for a little bit. While it soaks, I will stock up the toilet paper situation. I didn't show me stocking it up because again, the bathroom is tiny, so you really couldn't see me stocking it up. I tried to get footage of me doing that, and all you seen was the back of my bun. So anyways, I'm going to scrub viciously the entire toilet bowl. And yes, I do not have gloves on. Do not worry. I'm going to wash my hands as soon as I am done doing this. I literally flush the toilet at least 3 to 4 times. Make sure I got every little hot water stain out of the toilet bowl, because if you let hot water stains sit, they will completely stain your toilet bowl, your tub. There's no getting them off. So it's best to tackle them right away. Another product that I never in a million years thought I would purchase, as being a minimalist and being really frugal, is antibacterial wipes. But here we are. I purchase them every month and I use them every other day to clean the toilet bowl, the plunger, doorknobs, anywhere where there's like a high traffic area and where germs can kind of hoard. I will go in with these wipes, just wipe that area down, and that's it. Again, I'm not a fan of purchasing these items. I do feel like it is another bill, but do I feel like they're necessary nowadays? Yes. So even though I'm not a fan of them, I do feel like our household needs them, especially with having guests come over and having a pet. There's a lot of germs that get hoarded into one area, and we have a small apartment and a small bathroom, so I just don't want anyone to get sick. I don't want anything to happen. So I try to keep our house as clean and as sanitized as possible, especially the bathroom, since that is the #1 spot that creates the most amount of germs. Now that everything else is clean, my last 2 things that I do with the floor is I will go in with my Dyson. I've had this Dyson for so long. It is the V8 Animal Dyson. I honestly don't know the difference. This one was on sale, that's why I grabbed it. I've had it for I think like 3 years now, and it's still going pretty good. I do want to say that the battery doesn't last long, but it does suck up everything, so I guess you can't have everything, right? So I do vacuum the bathroom. I kind of vacuum the house every day, especially with having a cat. I have very long hair. My boyfriend has decent amount of hair, so it's usually all over the apartment, so that's why I vacuum every day. I also want to mention that I did steam mop off camera. Sorry for that, you guys. I totally forgot to hit record, but now I'm just putting everything back in its place. Everything's nice and clean. It smells amazing. None of this stuff goes in the dryer. I let it air dry, so it makes the bathroom smell nice and fresh. And that is it, you guys. That is what I do when it comes to deep cleaning my bathroom. Yes, I do clean weekly or even some things daily just to keep up with the mess, so it's not a lot to clean towards the end of the month. But everything that I use will be linked down below if you guys would like to check those out. Another thing that I would like to mention to you guys is that with the influencer world, social media, etc., be careful for what you purchase online, because you do not need a lot of products to achieve a very clean environment. So I just wanted to put that out there. You do not need to buy all of those products to achieve this type of cleanness. Obviously, it does depend on how dirty your bathroom is or your house, but you don't need to spend a whole lot of money to clean and sanitize your home. So I just wanted to put that out there. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you in the next video.